What are we doing today?
Boat.
We're going on the boat.
Car.
Yeah, we're going to go in the car.
Don't come.
No, the dogs aren't coming today. They're staying home today.
One.
Are we going on the boat?
Dad.
Yeah, boat.
Dad.
Dad's coming.
Dad's getting all the cameras ready, kiddo.
He is.
Daddy.
Drone, 2 GoPros.
Try.
Good.
Drone.
1, 2,
1, 2, 4. Are
7.
you excited?
Darling, I know it's hard to let go. Soon I will hold you again.
Good morning, welcome back. We're in Karratha now, visiting some family and stuff. We'll be here for Christmas. And today we finally got a gap in the wind. It's been horrendously windy. Easterly's just pumping in all week. But we've got a gap until about lunchtime today, I think. And it's my brother, Dylan, also known as Uncle Dylan. It's his birthday today, so he's launched his boat in the water. We met him down the boat ramp at 6 o'clock. Sun's up, just... They're already loaded, look at this. Gonna head out and have a good morning out. I think the wind will blow up just before lunch. How are you going, boys? Ready?
Yeah.
Look at this, very organised. I didn't even have to be here to help launch the boat.
No.
Hey?
It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean lands. It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest crowd, but their hearts break loud. Far from ever feeling lost with me, I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Anywhere you go I'll see. You're never lost among the crowd with me.
And welcome to Marny Bay. This is by far our favourite beach in the Dampier Archipelago Islands. It's out on Malice Island, round the back, so you really want some good weather to get out here, and to have this place to ourselves is unreal. We've been out here in some big groups, had some like Christmas parties and stuff out here, but yeah, this is unreal, just magic weather today, absolutely glorious, and yeah, all to ourselves. Boys are already in, going for a swim. Heaps of turtle tracks. They're hawksbills they nest out here, hey?
Yeah, hawksbills and greens mainly. Sometimes you get the occasional flatback.
Straight into it. So controlled.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I got that.
You're chasing the current. Hey, you got it. What do you call it?
See, look at it move.
Oh wow, that's incredible.
I call them Spanish dancers, but I don't actually know what they are. I'm guessing they're some kind of an enemy.
I'm going to try and get it in the light so you can see it. That's so cool. I see why you call them Spanish dancers.
Yeah. I used to get them in X-Mount all the time.
That's so cool.
I haven't seen one in a very long time.
There was 2 nests.
Yeah, not this time, but there's one here and there's one just over there.
Yeah, you reckon it's like proper successful nests?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, cool. When do the eggs hatch? Can we see them while we're here? No, that'll be January, February.
Yeah,
eh?
it's usually a little bit later for hot stills. Can't remember what the incubation period is.
Yeah, I think they were January, February for this area, from memory.
Yeah, you'd be pretty lucky to see one.
I really want to see some pearls nest and hatchlings. Alright, what are we doing?
Gonna go check out a cave just over here.
Same bay?
Same bay, Marny Bay. Yeah.
Liam, can you put that back on your
Lived here
plate?
for 24 years, did not know there was a cave here.
Wait, please.
Dylan was just saying though on a high tide it's underwater, but there was high tide a few hours ago, so we might be able to see it. Okay. Coming around now. What are you doing, Uncle Jojo?
Hiding in the shade. What's up, little man? Where are we going?
No, you're not out the door. The boat's on the way, we don't go out the door.
How cool is that?
It's the furthest sun, the gun done for love. It's a pulse and shove. It's the sharpest cry. The heat goes but wide. With a desperate lie. Far from ever feeling lost with me. I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be.
Alright, so that would be really cool on a high tide because you could actually swim into the cave and then it's open at the back, you can climb up and around. But yeah, we're on a outgoing tide at the moment. And Uncle Dylan's about to take us around the corner to a good snorkeling spot with a bit of coral, hey?
Yeah, yep, just around the corner here. We'll go have a bit of a snorkel and see what's around.
Are you going to catch me a fish for dinner?
We'll try. No promises.
What's going on, Uncle Jaja?
Oh, putting sunscreen on.
Reapply.
Bit burnt. Yeah, please. Yeah.
I just can't get over the visibility today. It's just unreal. Hey Liam. Liam, can you say I am the captain now? Look at me. Jeez. You don't even need a snorkel today. This is unreal. What do you reckon, babe?
It's beautiful. Loving it.
Who needs a snorkel when the water's this clear? do you reckon, Liam? Is that good?
Yeah.
Can you see the fishies?
Okay.
Yeah, we'll keep an eye out for another turtle. We've seen one, haven't we? Yeah, keep an eye out. Look, there's some serious colour popping out in this coral.
Oh, what you got? That's a good game.
See him over there, Mr. Snorkeling?
Hey Liam, are you swimming in the ocean?
Whee!
Yay! That's pretty good, isn't it? Hey?
Help me.
I got you,
It's
mate.
okay,
I
Mum's
got
got
you.
ya. Mum's one of the best swimmers I know, kiddo. She's not gonna let anything happen.
Down.
Floats in my mind. Ooh, the things you know, the things you think you know, the things you need, the things you think you want, the things you love, the things you think you love. I don't know where to go. Way up high or way down low. In this life, or truth or dare, floods, it's always there. The things you know, the things you think you know, the things you need, the things you think you want, the things you love, the things you think you love.
Hi.
Hey, how was it?
Beautiful.
Yeah?
We've been snorkeling on the Great Barrier Reef, Fiji, Exmouth. I gotta say, this has been pretty incredible. There's just so much life in here. And the visibility today is just unreal. Like, we're in 3 meters of water at the moment and you can see the bottom clear as day.
There's just so much fish here and it's just untouched coral. It's really, really pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have no idea what type of fish they are. Uncle Dylan said that there were some blue bone that I was pointing at. But yeah, there's just fish everywhere. Dylan saw a turtle and a white tip reef shark. I missed both of them. Yeah, it's just unreal. I have no idea what time it is. It's still morning, right?
Almost 10, I think.
Yeah, almost 10.
There's a bit of breeze coming in now, but it's
Yeah.
keeping the
Still
heat up.
just a breeze. It's not
Still just a
wind.
breeze.
You can
It's
sort
not
of see
wind
the
just yet.
ripples on the
Yeah.
surface, but no white cap. So we are, once Dylan and Jarrad get out of the water, they're just over there. I think we'll just island hop our way back towards the boat ramp. Let's just see what we can find as we go out today. But then we're sheltered by, bay hopping all our way back to the boat ramp. It's just magic. I don't even know. This must still be Mellis. Rosemary must be out the back. That's Rosemary out the back, eh?
I can't remember. I would say
We've been
that's
gone too
rosemary
long.
or over that side. Way
Yeah, I
over
thought
there.
Rosemary was over the back more.
Yeah, I think that's too big for rosemary.
Mm.
Yeah. Where's Dylan when you need him?
Yeah, Dylan can tell us. Good whistle,
Try again, you got your
kiddo.
hand over the whistle hole.
Yeah,
Try
you do
again.
it. Good boy. Good practicing. Go try. Ready?
Karratha. This is the iconic Crossroads tolling photo site. Dylan's just easing us in because it's pretty shallow. Liam's asleep, which is lovely. So Liam fell asleep on the way over. Good job, Dad.